it. Forget it. It's too late.
Skip to my Lou, my darling.
Hi guys, it's Lou. No, I'm not doing a video on the power of makeup, but yes, half makeup, half naked. I'm half naked. Anyway, first off, I do want to say, hey, that's pretty good. Ew. I put on half my makeup today in order to do this video, and we are going to be looking very closely at my face, more specifically, my makeup. I saw another YouTuber looking at their face with a magnifier, and I thought it was pretty fascinating. More than anything, I wanted to look at my skin as compared to Ava's skin, a 14-year-old and a 48-year-old. I don't know about you, but I think there's going to be a huge difference in the texture of a young person's skin as opposed to a more mature person's skin, as well as other things like suppleness and sheen. But we're gonna have to do that video later because she's not here. Abby's here, she's sleeping, so we can't do that. So here it is. This microscope magnifies things up to 1,000 times. So Abby's gonna be snoring in the background for any of you that hear, you know. So let's start with just plain old skin, the no makeup side. Okay, so there it is. Ew, look at that. Okay, look, I'm gonna push down. Spreads it out. You can see little fine hairs on my face. And looking at it now, I'm kind of hairy. Ew, look at the pores. And it looks like freckles or clogged. Ooh, look, 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 look. Where'd it go? This thing is very hard to maneuver. Oh, there. There is obvious broken capillaries. Let's go to where it's really hairy. Look at that. It looks like a forest, a gross forest. Okay, let's look at the other side now with makeup. And I'm talking foundation. There's concealer over there. There is blush, highlighter, contour, all kinds of stuff. Here we go. Let's go the highlighter. Look, there's the highlighter. See if I can focus a little bit better. Yep. There it is. That's highlighter. And we'll go more towards the regular part of my face. This is my cheek. So let's compare real quick. No makeup, makeup. It's all in the creases. And I have a lot of creases. Okay, Abby's gonna have to leave. I'm sorry. Okay, back to the gross stuff. Okay, let's go to this crease right here. Not only do I have a crease, I also have a clear mole, skin-colored mole. Let's look at that and just be disgusted. Let's focus in on that crease a little bit. It looks like, you know, the caverns of Utah. Look at that. Right there is a good one. Look at this. Let's go to my eyebrow. Okay, here is the no makeup side. And I'll tell you, oh my God. You can see that my eyebrow hair is blonde at the end. Do you see that right there? The root is very blonde and the rest has been dyed brown. That's fascinating. It means my eyebrows are growing. That's crazy. Okay, so that's the clean eyebrow. Here is the makeup eyebrow. Ew! Okay, that's disgusting. Wait, that's my eyeshadow. There, wait. That's my eyebrow. It looks all sparkly and gross. It looks like a flocked Christmas tree. All right, so we know, look at that. All those little chunk type things at the bottom of the hairs. That is eyebrow goop, wax in my case. Okay, let's look at my eyelid. No, let's look at my eyelashes actually. So blonde. Don't look directly into the light. I'm trying to hold still, but I can't. Okay, so those are my eyelashes from the roots down. I have a feeling that this eye with the mascara is going to be a little bit gross. Oh, there we go. Look at that. It looks like a bunch of dead spiders on my face. I wonder how I can do this a little bit better. There, look at that. That's mascara. Ew, and eyeshadow. See the gold stuff? What else? My eyebrows, eyelashes. Let's look at my nose. Ugh, I'll tell you, my nose is currently peeling from retin-A. Not so much the rest of my face. Oh, also I've broken capillaries like spider veins here. Kind of. I don't know if those are spider veins or what, but let's look at them because they've got to be gross. Look. Yep. Look right there. There appears to be a road map, which is a vein, and that's got to be a whitehead or something gross. I know there's peeling right here. There. Ew. That's my nose peeling right there. And that's just like blackheads or disgustingness in my skin. Okay, time to go to the other side, which I am just going to assume is going to be very cakey makeup, all in the crease. Yep, right there. There's the crease. That is the crease between my nose. Look at the hair. Ew. Very dry, gross skin. Okay, I'm wondering if under my eyes is any different. So there's that. Looks like Sahara Desert. Other side, it looks like sparkly Sahara Desert. Let's look at my arm. It's gotta be better. That's what I wanted to test and see with Ava. Sun damaged, older skin, and beautiful, soft, young skin on the face and other parts of the body. All right, I don't know about you guys, but I am thoroughly grossed out and I am going to stop magnifying everything. Okay, so yeah, there was no point to this video other than just to check out skin with makeup and without, very close up. And I think that the results, it was what I expected. It looked like clear, sort of shiny skin as opposed to cakiness in the lines in the face, like the crevices that you can't see, well, that you can't see with the naked eye. Naked. And I stand by what I said before. Nothing needs to be looked at that closely unless you're a scientist. So I'm going to sign off with the good side and say that's it for this video on skin super close up, makeup free, and makeup full. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. I learned lots of gross things. If you did enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't already subscribed but would like to be, please hit that button down below and you'll see me very soon with more videos. Bye guys.